Welcome. In this video, we are doing a brief overview of VirusTotal. So VirusTotal is just a website that allows us to look at data files to see if they contain a virus or not. I'm going to go ahead and upload evidence 1. And it will give us details on what they are. First of all, it gives us a hash of the file. It gives us when the last time someone also tested this file. It gives us alerts using this tool. So Snort has 8 alerts on it, and you can click on it and you can actually see the details. It was first submitted in 2012 in January for review. And I mean, you can look at the detailed requests. You can see the different GET requests. You can get some of the other data out of it. So for the detection, as you go through different antiviruses, you can see what groups have actually detected if there's anything in it. And most companies do not show this as a virus. Fortinet doesn't, Kaspersky doesn't, Bitdefender doesn't, but you can see if it does. You can test almost any file. However, whatever you upload here, other people can see. So you do not want to upload useful data files that are like business related. If you're unsure of a specific file that's not like containing PII, then test it. We can look at the relationship. We can look at the community. And the community is just individuals that are talking about the file. But we can see if VirusTotal alerts if there's any viruses on it. We use this site for basic analysis, and we will use this site for later areas of digital forensics. So that is a brief overview of what VirusTotal is and how we kind of use it. Thank you and have a good day. If there's any questions, please reach out.